In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gradient text in Google Slides. This is a simple way to make titles and key points pop, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. Start by opening Google Chrome, signing into your Google account, and heading to Google Slides from the Google Apps menu, the grid of dots in the top right corner. Once Slides loads, open the presentation you want to edit. If you already have it open, you're good to go. To apply a gradient to text, we'll use word art because gradient fills work on shapes, and word art treats your text like a shape. Go to the insert menu at the top and choose word art. Type the text you want, then press enter. You'll see it placed on your slide in a large, editable format. You can change the font, size, and letter spacing from the toolbar, just like regular text, but remember, this is a shape, which is what enables the gradient effect. With your word art selected, look for the fill color icon in the toolbar, the little paint bucket. Click it to open color options. In the menu that appears, choose gradient. You'll see preset options such as top to bottom or left to right. Click one to apply it instantly. If you notice a colored outline around the text and don't want it, you can change or remove it using the border color icon next to fill color. If you want full control, create a custom gradient. Go to fill color, then gradient, and select custom. A new window will open. Here, you can add new colors using the add button, move the color stops along the slider to control how much space each color takes, and click any stop to change its color from the palette. You can switch between linear and radial gradients and adjust the angle or center point for precise placement. When you're satisfied, click OK to apply it. A quick tip, try 2 or 3 colors that complement each other and make sure your gradient keeps the text readable against your slide background. Now fine-tune your text. Drag the corners to resize, reposition it where it works best, and apply other effects if you like. Alignment guides can help center it, and format options such as drop shadow can improve contrast without distracting from the gradient. That's all there is to it. Your word art is now beautifully filled with a gradient, giving your slides a vibrant, professional touch, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.